प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार झा।
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir. This is the Council of States. And by virtue of the fact that this is Council of States, I rise here on this act seeking the indulgence of Honorable Minister. So, Honorable Minister, sir, this bill, in more ways than one, dishonors the very idea of federalism, sir. Why I say so? Charles Kennedy was a British politician. He said that federalism, one has to put his head above parapet and recapture and disseminate the idea of federalism. More first in the case of vocabulary than in the case of vision. So that was my first indulgence which I thought I should seek from Honorable Minister, sir. So, according to your bill, which is going to be an act, the dealers are made authorities to register vehicles based on the type approval certificate without any physical verification. I don't know what makes, and I won't blame you, ये जो प्राइवेटाइजेशन की पूरी गाथा चली है ना सर, ये जो निजी क्षेत्र है, ये इतना पराया है ना, शायद हम इसे समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं। निजी के हाथों सब कुछ सौंपने को हम तैयार हैं। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि ये मैं आलोचना कर रहा हूं सर, अगर आलोचना के बिंदु आपको सुझाव में लगे तो ले लीजिएगा। क्लॉज 90 proposed section 211, the collection of fees by the body or agency appointed by the central government as per proposed section is itself unconstitutional, sir. If you don't believe my words, sir, revisit the idea of distribution of revenue between the state and the center. You would come to know, sir. So, in another 215A, C and D, the objects and reasons contained in the statement, firstly, it is not transparent, and secondly, it is actually going to have a major policy paradigm shift which will affect lakhs of officers and employees of the state throughout the country, sir. So I'm reading few lines. The existing power of the state governments to enter into interstate agreements with the neighboring states so as to control and regulate the operation of other state carriages as well as goods and carriages would be taken away by virtue of these provisions in section 66A and 88A. I'm not saying this. This is from Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. K. Palaniswamy ji. So, the second quote is, we have some serious concerns regarding certain provisions of the Motor Vehicles Act, Bill 2019. Most critically, we are concerned that the inclusion of the new Section 88A, which gives widespread powers to the central government to make schemes for national multimodal and interstate transport of passengers and goods. This is against the state's ethos and priorities. I'm not saying this, sir. Minister of Transport, Maharashtra government, your own government, sir. So finally, when I look at your bill and the clauses and matters listed therein, it's going to be a paradise for the lawyers, sir. मैं जानता हूँ वकील सर हर जगह महत्वपूर्ण है, उधर भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, इधर भी महत्वपूर्ण है और बीच में भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। तो एक हल्के में कहूँगा सर कि अकबर इलाहाबादी का एक शेर है, पैदा हुआ वकील तो शैतान ने कहा आज मैं भी साहिबे औलाद हो गया। शुक्रिया सर, जय हिंद।
धन्यवाद झा जी।